Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best payability strategy to manage inventory cash flow. Understanding the challenge. As an e-commerce seller, I know the drill. You need to buy inventory to make sales, but often you have to wait weeks for your marketplace payments to come through. This creates a painful cash flow gap. You spent the money, but haven't received the revenue yet, which limits how quickly you can restock and grow. The best strategy, daily advance payouts. The single most effective strategy I've personally used to bridge this gap is leveraging a service like Payability for daily advance payouts. How it works. Instead of waiting 14 to 30 days for Amazon, Walmart, or other marketplaces to disperse your funds, Payability advances you a majority of your earnings the very next business day. Impact on inventory cash flow. This immediate access to cash is a game changer. It means the money from the sales you made today is available tomorrow to reinvest directly into new inventory. It effectively eliminates the lag time. The power of speed. By getting cash faster, you can place new orders with suppliers sooner, negotiate better bulk pricing, and avoid stocking out of your best-selling items. This leads to a continuous, self-funding cycle of buying, selling, and restocking. A quick note on instant access versus capital. While Payability offers two main services, instant access, daily payments, and instant advance, lump sum capital. For managing ongoing inventory cash flow, instant access is a superior, most sustainable strategy. Instant access daily payouts is a predictable, automated solution that turns your receivables into working capital immediately, allowing you to run your business like a traditional retailer with much shorter payment terms. It's about optimizing the flow of cash. My personal experience. Implementing daily payments allowed me to increase my inventory order frequency by 40% in the first quarter. I went from ordering new stock every 3 to 4 weeks to ordering every week, simply because the cash from last week's sales was immediately available. This directly led to a significant increase in monthly revenue because I was almost never out of stock. It truly transforms a growth stifling receivable into dynamic working capital. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.